How to fix Snapchat camera zoom problem. So first and foremost is the very effective way to fix that is to restart your device. So all you have to do is to tap on the power button and then restart your device here. Just like this, then slide to power off or restart it. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is to go here to your Snapchat application and then make sure, let's say you cannot zoom in or zoom out there, right? So all you have to do is to shake on your phone here or take a screenshot of that. Now, make sure to take a screenshot because what we're going to do next is we're going to report it to the Snapchat community. So click on your Bitmoji and tap on the gear icon. After clicking on that, scroll down up until you see this feedback here and tap on I spotted a bug and tap on camera. Now here all you have to do is to type there camera zoom problem, and since we have already taken a screenshot there, tap on add screenshot and then choose topic and then go here to camera features and tap on submit. Now all you have to do is to wait for the Snapchat community to get back to you and wait and fix your problem. Now, what you can do next is to make sure that your application is updated. So you have to go here to your App Store and search for Snapchat here and make sure to update that application. And basically, that is it. And that is how you fix Snapchat camera zoom problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.